Hey guys, welcome back to Peachy Bunny Bakes. I'm Mel and today I'll be showing you how to create these classic French pastries, Financiers. Now let's take a look at the ingredients. You'll need some almond powder, hazelnut powder, cake flour, egg whites, baking powder, icing sugar, unsalted butter, and some crushed almonds. Use a non-stick Financier pan, otherwise grease your pan before using it. Before you start, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Now start off by sifting all your dry ingredients except the almond powder and hazelnut powder. And for a million years and more I'd make you mine, 'cause all the shades of blue. Now add in your almond and hazelnut powder and just mix it till it's evenly distributed. Now it's time to make brown butter or burnt butter, which is the most important ingredient. It's what gives the Financiers its special aroma. Start off by melting your butter over low heat. Once the butter has been melted, turn the heat up to medium-high. The butter will bubble up and gradually turn brown. Watch really closely and keep stirring. Be really careful not to burn it. Now set the brown butter aside and add about 1/3 of the egg whites to your dry ingredients. Mix really well and then add in another 1/3 of the egg whites. Now mix in the remaining egg whites and make sure it's well incorporated. Your mixture should be pretty runny, don't worry. You like to run free, but I'll still make my plans. I'll change my Now gradually add in your browned butter. All the shades of blue go away when I'm with you. Put a golden frame around my heart, 'cause you make me feel like a piece of art. 'Cause all the shades of blue. Now it's time to transfer the mixture to the baking pan. I normally use a piping bag for this, but I wanted to show you guys that you don't need any special tools, so I'm using a spoon. Sprinkle some crushed almond pieces on top, then pop it into the preheated oven. Hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Once they're done, let them cool for about 2 to 3 minutes, then flip the pan over and mold the Financiers while they're still hot. And voila, you've made some classic French Financiers. These go great with a cup of tea and they are perfect as a little treat for friends and families. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Peachy Bunny Bakes. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought.